How to check recently viewed items on Shein. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can check the items you have recently viewed on Shein. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. This is simple. All you have to do, I'm just going to suppose and show you this is real, that I would like to, obtain some rings. Let's suppose. So this one, I'm gonna check it. Okay, I'm going back, and now here at the bottom of my screen I have 5 different options. I'm going into the last one, me, and here I have a wish list or recently viewed. This is what I'm switching. So in recently viewed, as you can see, there are the rings. You can begin to scroll and slide, but at the right you have the option view all, and you're going to be able to check all the items you have recently viewed on Shein. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching.